The Rokenbok remote control dump truck was especially designed for preschoolers, but it's perfect for advanced Rokenbokers too. This rugged vehicle both loads and dumps from the front, so it's easy to pull into a loading dock and then pull right up to a conveyor to dump your load with precision. The dump truck has a giant cargo bed, and other features include a horn, a siren, and a trailer hitch. The Rokenbok dump truck is found in the Get Rockin' Young Builders action set and can also be purchased separately.